So today in this video we shall factorize 12x square minus 22xy plus 8y square. So here first expression 12x square and last expression plus 8y square. So both are same. So now we have to divide this into two parts. So 12 times 8 mean 96 and 16 into 6 mean 96 and 16 plus 6 means 22. So it divided as minus 16 xy minus 6 xy. So minus 16 minus 6 means 22 and 16 times 6 means 96. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So both has common here 4x. So 4 times 3 mean 12, 1x came, so remaining is x, minus 4 times 4 mean 16, x already came, remaining y, minus now we have common is 2y. So 2 times 3 mean 6, y already came, remaining x, minus 2 times 4 mean 8, 1y came, 1y remaining. So now we find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 3x minus 4y. So 3x minus 4y is the common factor and remaining in the first 4x in the last minus 2y. So 3x minus 4y and 4x minus 2y are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.